What we have now, and the path that we are following now until next year, that's our bet, that next year we're going to see the first quantum advantage demonstration. And what's the difference, right, between utility and advantage? So advantage is not anymore that a quantum circuit is best, the best result is from a quantum computer. It's when you have a problem, general problem, in which you can demonstrate that the quantum algorithm solved by a quantum computer is the best way to solve a problem over any classical solution that you can reach, that you can have. And how, for next year, and we are already seeing some companies and some researchers saying that quantum advantage is here, but from IBM we wanted to set a bit the hype and not to contribute to that, but because what we see is that for really demonstrating quantum advantage, we need two things. One is that we can really validate the result. So it cannot be a problem in which I say I have quantum advantage, but you cannot check it, right? You cannot validate it, everyone. That's the first point. The second point is that it's really, that we can find really a quantum separation. What does it mean is basically what I said before, that there is no classical solution that can beat the quantum solution. For that, this means that even when someone claims quantum advantage, we will need to wait a bit until other groups, other researchers, and universities can check, can validate, can really demonstrate that yes, that was quantum advantage and we cannot find any classical counterpart for that solution. So that's going to happen, and that's our bet next year. Let's see if we have it. And the path forward until 2029, we will focus on delivering the first fault-tolerant quantum computer. That's on 2029, so it's not that far from now. I agree that the coming years are really interesting, and today having this opening of the Quantum Center is a really good, moment to join that. And how we see the future in IBM. And this is really important message, is not just quantum. We cannot forget, as we were hearing, that we have computing, and it has several different resources. We have the classical resources, such as CPU or GPUs, plus the quantum resources. And the future should be hybrid. And it's the only way that we can have really advantage in solutions, right, from quantum. And that's our bet, that the future and that any quantum advantage will be reached when we integrate HPC solutions plus quantum solutions. So that's only our mission and a summary of what we see in IBM. But now I wanted just to walk you through what we see as the two requisites that we need for useful quantum computing. The first one is, of course, having the best software and the best hardware. And that's what we are trying to do at IBM Quantum. We are a technology company, and what we want to develop are the best tools for others to find the best algorithms and the best problems to use that technology. So